This is my cat. He is very friendly. I like furries. Let me repeat that. I like furries. But still, this is my cat. He's friendly. He is my cat. His name is Devil. Now, I will find my other cat. Pumpkin! In there. Oh, there he is. Yeah. Right. This is my cat, Pumpkin. He is also friendly. Oh, Pumpkin, don't run away. Oh, no. This is my cat, Pumpkin. And he is very nice.